Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford Fiesta radio. First, locate your car's fuse box. It's usually found under the glove compartment or sometimes under the hood. Next, consult your owner's manual or the fuse box diagram to pinpoint the specific radio fuse. This fuse is commonly rated at 10 or 15 amps, so look for that detail. Once you've identified the correct fuse, ensure your car's ignition is completely off. Now, using a fuse puller, which often comes with your car, or a pair of small pliers, carefully remove the radio fuse from its slot. This step temporarily cuts power to the radio. It's crucial to wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes before moving to the next step. After the waiting period, carefully reinsert the radio fuse back into its original slot. Make sure it's seated firmly. Now, turn on your car's ignition and then power on the radio system. Check if the issues you were experiencing, such as freezing, display errors, or sound problems, have been successfully resolved. This simple power cycle often fixes many glitches. If the fuse method doesn't work, an alternative is to disconnect your car battery's negative terminal for about 15 minutes. Remember to always consult your Ford Fiesta owner's manual for specific instructions and safety precautions. This easy reset method is a great first step for troubleshooting minor radio issues before seeking professional help, saving you time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.